So that's where I'm staying. The reception for the hotel is over here. Took a shower and quickly jumped out. And right in front is a horticulture garden that belongs to Karnataka state. I didn't want to miss the sunrise, so here I am rising. Yeah, let's see. Sun is supposed to rise in next 15 minutes or so, but I'm not able to locate. वो सनराइज देख नहीं सकते यहाँ से? हाँ, इधर से आएगा, बट अभी 7 o'clock के बाद 6:15 नहीं? ओह, 7 o'clock के बाद. Okay. So looks like I rushed unnecessarily. The security says sun rises at 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna go back to the room now. Hello. So I'm sitting here and planning for the day. There are quite a few things planned for today. So let's see. Few stops in between. I'll be starting in around 10 minutes. So this is the first stop for the day. We're going up there. So essentially that is Balathandayuthapani temple. That's a Murugan temple, and I think around 40 feet tall. That's what they say. I saw different input on the number of steps, so I'm gonna try and count it and let you guys know. Let's go up and see. There is a Vinayagar temple at the entrance, the small one. House.
The temple also houses deities of Kali, Saptakannigal believed to safeguard the village from calamities, and Bhairava, the Rudra incarnation of Shiva. The highlight of this temple is this 40 feet tall statue of Lord Murugan that stands tall outside the enclosures of the temple. This is said to be a replica of the Murugan statue in Batu Caves, Malaysia. The statue is made of brick and mortar, and the temple itself is believed to be 500 years old.
So that's the view from here. Pretty nice, very serene place actually.
Apart from offering prayers, the serenity and the sweet sound of birds certainly make it worth a visit. It surely is a brilliant panoramic view of the Ooty landscape.
Going down now, took around 40 minutes approximately to cover the place from the hotel to here. So yeah, over to the next stop. I counted the steps. It's 108 in all. The view from here is really nice. So from the hotel to the temple, that was around 5 kilometers. It's a very steep road, so make sure you have a vehicle which can take you there. So that's the rose garden from a distance. It's not season time, so you won't find too many roses now. I am not going in there, so just showing the view from a distance. So this Murugan temple is right next to the rose garden. The St. Stephen's Church, supposed to be an ancient structure, Gothic architecture.
This is a Catholic church that dates back to the 19th century and is considered one of the oldest in the Nilgiri district. The church features stained glass windows depicting scenes from the Bible. An interesting fact is that the huge beam and other timber used in this church were taken from Tipu Sultan's palace on the island town of Srirangapatnam.
Thank you, thank you.
The door.
Door alla.
Door.
In the door?
In the front door.
Okay.
Ullakra beams.
And the beams allama?
Runner, height like one runner.
Okay, okay.
And the runner along the
Palace.
Palace. Mysore Palace. Srirangapatnam.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
We are going to Pykara Waterfalls. On the way saw some cabbage farming. So yeah, it's over here. It's right here. That's cabbage. So we got that as well. It's not strawberry season. I kind of wanted to go for strawberry plucking, but it's a wrong month. It's a fancy junction with a lot of animals in the
Photo film studio industry.
Inge. Okay, there is a photo film studio apparently in this area. Talakundu. Okay. So that's the name of the place. This is on the way to the Pykara Waterfalls, right after Pine Forest. It's not allowed at this point in time to go in. They've kept it closed. So yeah, I've gotten down. I think there's around 800 meters to walk. A lot of shops. So water inflow, low in water flow falls, which is not a good thing. Oh, there is an entrance fee. It is just incredible. So if you're bringing camera, I think there is an extra charge. It's breathtakingly beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, worth the 25 kilometers of drive. Use dustbin, I agree. कृपया इस परिसर को स्वच्छ रखें. There's not much water at this point in time, so monsoon is the best time to come to see some actual waterfalls. So I'm going back now. Not much of water, but it was worth it to just see the view. This view halfway down is actually way better than what I saw down there. Most probably because water is low at this point in time. So just stepping out of Pykara Falls, and it's already showing 24 stairs and around 4,600 steps right from morning. Good exercise. That's just some flowers on the road. So that took close to an hour. A lot of food options.
I set out again, and there is lots more to cover on my route back to Ooty. It almost feels like a spiritual journey due to the tranquil vibes and aura emanating from this beautiful place. Do subscribe. I hope to see you joining me as I continue this exploration.
Horses, huh?